Okay, till now we have read that how we can find mod of ungrouped data. So to find mod of ungrouped data, we can say that the value of variable which occurs most frequently is mod of the data, and we have solved question number 1 and 2 on the basis of this concept. But what when the data is given in the form of table? So if the data is given in the form of table, we will use the empirical formula. And the empirical formula for calculating mod is, you can write empirical formula for calculating mod and the formula is mod is equals to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. And we all know that how to find median of a tabular data if the data is given in the form of table, and how we can find mean of a data which is given in the form of table. So to find mod of the data which is given in the form of table, first of all we will find median and mean, then we'll put the values in this formula of median minus mean. So based on this, let's solve question number 3. And the question number 3 is, the daily wages of 45 workers in a factory are given below, and the daily wages are, daily wages is given and number of workers is given. So daily wages are, okay, 6 workers have 300, and 8 workers wages are 375. Wages of 9 worker is 450. Wages of 12 workers is 525, and wages of 10 workers is 60. So this is your question number 3 from exercise 21C. So what we have to do to find median and mean, first of all we have to arrange this data in vertical table, and we can draw that table. We can write daily wages, daily wages. Okay, daily wages we can they are variables, so we can represent it by x. Then number of workers, okay, number of workers means frequency, that means we will represent number of workers by fi. Then we have to find mean and median. So to find mean we will multiply xi and fi, and to find median we will find cumulative frequency. So let's find cumulative frequency. First of all we will find cumulative frequency, and to find mean we will multiply this xi and fi. So one column for xi and fi. So first of all daily wages are given, it is 300. Number of workers 6. Next is 375. Number of workers 8. Next is 450, and number of workers are 9. Then 525, number of workers 12. Then 60, wait, is it 60? Sorry, it is 600. So 600, and number of workers 10. So now we have to find the cumulative frequency. So see, it is 6. Now we will add 6 and 8. 6 and 8 14. 14 and 9 23. 23 and 12 35. 35 and 10 45. So we have found cumulative frequency. We will take help the help of this cumulative frequency to find median. Now we have to find xi and fi. So if you multiply this 300 by 6, we'll get 1800. Then we will multiply this 370. So we will multiply this 375 by 8. So if we will multiply this 375 by 8, it will come 3000. And now we'll multiply this 450 by 9. So 450 multiplied by 9 is equals to, it will come 4050. Now, so we'll multiply this 525 by 12. So if we will multiply this 525 by 12, it will come 6300. And now at last we'll multiply this 600 by 10. So it will come 6000. Now we'll add all the numbers. So it is 0, it is 5, 8 and 3 11 is 1, 2 carry, 2 and 1 3, 3 6 4 10, 10 6 16 and 6. It will come 22. Wait, 1 and 1 2 3 5 5 4 9 9 6 15 and 6 21. It will come 21150. 21150. Now we have to find this is summation of xi and fi, and now we have to find we want to calculate mode, and to calculate mode we need to find mean and median. So first of all we will find mean. Mean is equals to summation of xi fi divided by summation of fi. Summation of fi, the last cumulative frequency, which is 45, and if we will add all these numbers it will come 45. So summation of fi xi, this is 21150 divided by this summation of fi, which is 45. So if we will solve this 21150 by 45, we can cut the numbers by 5. So it is 5 9s are 45, 5 4s are 21, 1 11, 5 2s are 10, 1 5 15, 3 2 4 2 3 0. So if we will divide this 4 2 3 0 by 3, by 9, and 4 2 6 and 3, although we can cut this number by 3 also. So if we cut this by 3, it will come 3, and 3 1s are 3, 1 2 12, 3 4s are 12, 1 0. So 1410 divided by 3 is equals to 3 4s are 12, 2 1 21, 470. So we can say mean is equals to 470, and we have to find median also. So median, to find median we can say here total number of workers are 45. 45 is an odd number, hence median will be n plus 1 by 2th term, because n is odd. N means number of workers are odd. So we can say 45 plus 1 yani 46 by 2, that is equals to 23rd term is your median. 23rd term is your median. So now what we will do, we have the 23rd term is 450. So we can say 450 is median. Now we have to find mode, and the empirical formula for mode is, you can write formula. The formula of mode is, it is 3 median minus 2 times mean, and we can write mode is equals to 3 times median. The 23rd term is median, so 3 times it is median is 450 minus 2 times mean is 470. So if we will multiply this 450 by 3, it will come 1350 minus 470 multiplied by 2 will come 940. So if we will subtract this 940 from 1350, it will come 410. Hence mode is 410 rupees. So this is the answer of question number 3.